south. In fact, a severe thunderstorm warning County into Taylor County, including Campbellsville, until 4:30. The newest severe thunderstorm warning until 3:30 Central Time includes Munfordville, southeastern quarter there of Hart County. We also have the flash flood warnings there for areas around LaRue County near Lebanon and Springfield. Watch for some high water where we have thousands of lightning as well. Wouldn't be surprised if we've seen even some tree or some home damage from the lightning.
What was that? The light just flickered.
Thunderstorm right on top of Campbellsville. Stay in your place of shelter until that moves through. Same deal for you folks here in southeastern Hart County near Munfordville. Could see some hail out of that thunderstorm as well. So that's the activity that we have around the area now. Just some light to moderate rain left over behind those storms over Metro Louisville, around the Snyder, Anchorage to Fern Creek. You can see some of that. And then very light rain, some sprinkles over southern Indiana. We get a break for a little while, but I'm watching a little bit of a spin, a little impulse in the mid-levels of the atmosphere out to the west, and that could spark up some more of those showers and thunderstorms, I think, after around 7 or 8 p.m. Some areas will have a higher chance than others. I think central southern Kentucky, that hasn't been worked over quite as much, will have a higher threat later on this evening. Dozens of reports of tree damage, power line damage, and even some home damage, structure damage. Here's a look from St. Matthews. Someone's porch completely destroyed. Roof shingles on the road. 2 trees on top of 2 different homes. That happened at 2:35 this afternoon. About the same time, roof blown off an Angler's Outpost there in Hillview. And again, that's indication of winds over 60 to 70 miles per hour. There you can see it blasting off to the east. Rainfall totals anywhere from nearly nothing to over an inch in Shelbyville, Hodgenville, Brandenburg, seeing some of the higher amounts. This is our high-resolution rapid refresh weather model showing round 1 moving out. Several hours of some quiet time. This is through 6 to 7 o'clock. Here comes that next impulse I was talking about, and after around 7, 8 o'clock, hopefully this is just a really heavy rainmaker and not more wind damage. We're going to watch out for this threat, especially in central and southern Kentucky. Notice southern Indiana has settled things down. The air is not as unstable. After around 10 to 11 o'clock, I think that severe weather threat is ending, and we just have leftover plain old rainfall for the overnight. And as we go into tomorrow, a lot of the daytime I think is dry. It's going to be steamy out there after all this rain in the upper 80s, heat index in the low 90s. Friday evening, we might see a pop-up stray shower, but a lot of your Friday is going to be dry. I think during the daytime, we're pretty dry as well for Saturday. This is Saturday afternoon, the mid to upper 80s. Notice by late Saturday night into early Sunday, this little front brings in a chance for some showers. Behind that, the humidity drops off. And here's our good news in this forecast. Sunday into next week, we should be looking a lot more comfortable with less humid air. Mostly cloudy out there now with our Bachman Auto Group, Morgan & Morgan City Camera Network. Current temperature, rain-cooled air, 71 degrees, humidity at 81%. At least it feels a little bit better out there. 69 in the Highlands, 68 at PRP, upper 60s, lower 70s, with still some light rain across the area. And those temperatures just a little bit warmer off to the south. So our forecast for tonight, showers and storms could fire back up, mainly after 7 p.m. Watching out for some flooding potential. Low temperature at 71 for tomorrow. A high of 86. Isolated pop-up shower or thunderstorm. And we're looking mostly dry the weekend. I think a late night shower into early morning Sunday, a chance of rain. Beyond that, next week looks a lot better, a lot of sunshine and lower humidity. Rachel?
All right, Ben, thank you so much. The IMLE Festival kicking off tomorrow night. From baseball to yoga to movies, different ways you can enjoy it.
WHAS 11 News is sponsored by River House Restaurant.